Coding is a valuable skill to have in today's world. It can open up new career opportunities, help you build your own products and services, and even just make your life easier by automating tasks. But with so many different ways to learn coding, it can be hard to know where to start. If you're serious about learning to code, here are a few tips to help you do it the right way. 1. Choose the right programming language. There are hundreds of different programming languages out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. It's important to choose a language that is well suited to your goals. If you're just starting out, I recommend learning Python. Python is a general-purpose language that is relatively easy to learn and has a wide range of applications. It's also a popular language in the tech industry, so learning Python will give you a good foundation for future career opportunities. Other popular programming languages include Java, JavaScript, and C++. If you're interested in a specific field, such as web development or game development, you may want to learn the language that is most popular in that field. 2. Find a good learning resources. There are many different ways to learn coding, including online courses, books, and boot camps. It's important to find a learning resource that works for you. If you're a self-learner, there are many free and paid online courses available. I recommend checking out FreeCodeCamp, the Odin Project, Coursera, Udemy, and edX. There are also many good books on coding, such as Python Crash Course by Eric Mathis and Teach Yourself Java in 21 Days by Rogers Cadenhead. If you prefer to learn in a more structured environment, you may want to consider attending a coding boot camp. Boot camps are typically intensive programs that teach you the basics of coding in a short period of time. However, they can be expensive, so be sure to do your research before choosing a boot camp. 3. Start coding early. The best way to learn to code is by doing it. Don't wait until you finish learning everything before you start coding. Start writing simple programs as soon as you can. There are many different coding challenges available online. These challenges can help you practice your coding skills and learn new concepts. You can also find many open-source projects on GitHub. Open-source projects are software projects that are developed collaboratively by a community of programmers. Contributing to an open-source project is a great way to gain experience working on real-world code. 4. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you get stuck, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are many online forums and communities where you can ask questions and get help from other programmers. You can also find many helpful tutorials and articles on Stack Overflow. 5. Be patient. Learning to code takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't understand something right away. Just keep practicing and learning, and you will eventually get there. Here are a few additional tips to help you learn coding the right way. Focus on the fundamentals. Before you start learning advanced concepts, make sure you have a good understanding of the fundamentals of programming, such as variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. Build projects. The best way to learn to code is by building projects. Start with small projects and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Find a mentor. If you know someone who is a programmer, ask them to mentor you. A mentor can help you learn from their experience and answer your questions. Join a community. There are many online and offline communities for programmers. Joining a community can help you learn from other programmers, get help when you need it, and stay motivated. Learning to code can be challenging, but it is also very rewarding. By following these tips, you can learn to code the right way and set yourself up for success. Subscribe to this channel, stay tuned for more videos, and happy coding.